Welcome to our 10-minute daily morning workout. Let's get started right away. We're marching, but throw a bit of a punch. March with a punch to get warmed up today. We were focusing on walking yesterday. Today, just some low impact cardio workout. We're going to move for the entire 10 minutes. Go at your pace. Pick it up when you can. Slow it down when you need to. Just keep moving. We're going to build some incredible endurance today. But of course, we're going to elevate our mood, increase our energy, and build that consistency and discipline. So we build the habit of daily activity, physical activity, every chance that we get. Reach out the arms. Punch it out. Just getting warm. Shake that out. Squat as low as you can and reach up. Touch and reach. It can just getting started. It can be a very small movement. Just keep moving. We're going to work today so that we do go for our evening walk. When we go to get our extra steps in, we can do it with a little bit more strength, a little more ease. All of our daily activities become so much more enjoyable. We got that extra fitness that allows us to live our happiest, healthiest lives. Oh, endorphins engaged. Yeah, let's go. You can sink a little deeper if you want. Touch all the way. Happy days. Couple more. Brilliant. I might go a little bit more intense today, trying to get the heart rate up. So follow along, and as always, modify, do what's best for you. Let's get some punches in. Want to build strength in the arms, our shoulders particularly. So when we are walking, we can use our arms. It can help to propel us forward. Okay, what if you bring your legs together now? Keep punching. Can you step? Let's take some coordination. And I might be struggling to find the rhythm. You can go one. That works maybe best. Or if you can keep them going. Brilliant. Just move today. Push yourself a little bit. Low impact with a little bit extra intensity. All right. I'll do these star jacks. Now it's just one to one side. If you need to, just slow it down. If you can stretch it out, by all means. I really want to get the heart rate up today. Let's go other side. Stay with me. Push ourselves every once in a while. Get comfortable with being uncomfortable. We can be our best. Okay, shake that out. We're gonna step back and punch. Just one side. Find a nice flow. Give your best effort. Remember to smile. Tell yourself how much you love this. Mindset matters. A couple more. Other side. Let's go. Back. Yeah. Look forward. Engage the core. Building core stability with every exercise. As well as incredible strength in our arms and our legs. That beautiful cardiovascular endurance. It's going to make all the difference to making our movements throughout the day enjoyable instead of painful or frustrating. Okay, slow down here. Just a little bit of a side step with a little bounce. Come up on your toes. Feel as light as you possibly can. Ooh. Get some arms in there. Stretching out the back. Keep your arms up nice and high. Feel it in your shoulders. Okay. Bouncing here. Little squat. Hold it there. Quick punches. Real short movements, but intense. Let's keep this going for 20 seconds or so. Pick it up if you can. Oh yeah, feel the burn. And shake that out. A few hugs. You with me? Brilliant. Let's go back to half star. Just a few. Other side. Getting that heart rate up. Yes, feeling it. We're here for a short time. Stick with me. Engage your core. Feel that brilliant core stability you're creating. Yes. Okay. Shake it out. Now let's touch and reach and see if we can't sink a little bit deeper now that we got the body nice and warm. We're only here for 10 minutes or so. Let's give it everything we got. This workout's going to propel you to stay active through the day, to find other modes of movement. Take the stairs. Whenever possible. I'm the kind of person that takes the stairs whenever I can. Let that be a philosophy. One more. Brilliant. Okay. Knee with a punch. Nice twist. Last exercise for today. Let's go with this. Find a nice flow for you. You can always go real quick as you end off. Or maybe you just want to slow it down. Some flexibility to go along with our great cardio. If you can't get that knee up nice and high. Don't quit on me. Let's stick with this. Come on. Breathe. We're almost done. Get a real victory after completing this one. Don't forget, comment, job done. Inspire others. Celebrate the small victories and keep pile them up throughout the day. A few more. And pretty amazing what we can achieve in 10 minutes. Well done. Let's just take a moment to absorb that all. Just be here for 30 seconds and just notice the sensations of the body. Your mind will wander. Just notice, bring it back. Just feel the tingling throughout your arms. Feel the soles of your feet, the beating of your heart. Shake it out. Well done. That was pretty terrific. Keep showing up. Stay consistent. Discipline will follow. We can always elevate our mood and boost our energy, even with simply 10 minutes. Well done to you. I will see you tomorrow.